how to attach any bit to your DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, if you didn't know, an impact driver will only take a bit with an end with a hex like this with the cutout. This cutout allows the impact driver to keep it securely in place. However, if you have a bit like this, it will not be secured into place and it'll just slip in and out. So if you have a toolbox full of bits like this, what you'd need is one of these, a spare chuck, and make sure it comes with the hex bit like this with the cutout. You'll be able to attach it into your impact driver and attach and use it just like an ordinary drill. Tighten this up and put any bit, and you'll be able to use any bit in your impact driver just like any other drill. So if you've got a toolbox full of bits like this and not like this, which most people won't have, then you want to get a spare chuck to utilise all them bits that you already have. So hopefully this helps you out how to attach any bit to your DeWALT Impact Driver. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.